Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to take a look at how you can respond to comments, how you can moderate comments, and how you can report spam or, you know, like really nasty comments to YouTube so that they can block certain users from being able to post things. It can help improve the spam filter, all of this stuff. We're going to look at that today. So when you're on your back end of your channel and you want to check out your comments, you just go over here to the left-hand sidebar and you'll see there's a comment tab. And this is what you'll be greeted with, your most recent comments. And then also it'll have a filter up here at the top for comments you haven't responded to yet. If you have responded to it, it'll disappear from this list, and if you're trying to have an ongoing conversation, just exit out to remove this, and then you can see all of them no matter if you've responded to them or not. So, generally, when you're responding to comments, all you have to do is click on reply and say, yeah, no problem, dude. And then reply, and then boom, all done. You can also upvote them, you can downvote them, and then you can heart them, and heart them stickies them to the top of the comment string. This is useful for pinning useful comments that like share important information that you want people to see. If you're more of an ego-stroking kind of person, you can also go with the types of comments that make you feel good about the comment that you make. I don't really judge. Some people like to pin like people that yell first. I do that sometimes just for fun. Some people don't. It's completely your choice. And then over here in the three dots is your actions menu. This is where you can delete nasty comments. You can report them for being violent, abusive, spammy, people trying to sell stuff, whatever. You can report that here, and then depending on the reason, YouTube might add that to the spam filter, and if a particular user gets reported to the spam filter enough times, all of their stuff will be either held for review or just you'll never see it again. You can set it up so that you hide this user from the channel. If you find yourself getting pestered by somebody that you know will try to circumvent being banned from your channel or being removed from your channel, rather than just deleting their comments or reporting them, you can instead hide them so that they can still post and they still think that they're posting and really, you know, trying to piss you off. But in fact, they've been shadow banned, which means only they will see their posts, and to everybody else, they'll just be invisible. This is actually a great tool because then they won't even know. They'll just post away being annoying and no one will see it. You can also set it to always approve comments from this particular user. If you've got like a friend who's been caught by the spam filter, but they don't post spam on your channel, you can pre-approve them with that. And then if you want somebody to be able to moderate comments because you've got some trusted users that you think can check them and delete stuff for you, you can do that with that button right there. And then over here in the held for review section, if for whatever reason somebody gets held for review, I haven't had someone pop into here for a while because I don't really set up my comments to require me to review the comments. They'll show up here, and then after 60 days they get automatically removed and deleted. You can approve or disapprove them there. That's about it. And then if you want to see all the stuff that you've responded to, regardless of when you responded to, you can do this. Oh, look. This guy is a spammer. He's trying to get people to use whatever this dude is on Instagram, and that guy will probably give you a virus. We're going to report you as, what do we put this under? Spam. It's a spam bot. Boom. All right. And so is there anything else we want? You can also use these automated replies. Thank you so much. Yeah, man, you're welcome. Makes trying to respond to everybody a little easier so that you can actually engage with your audience, but I tend to like to actually write out my responses. And so we can reply to this guy. Good on ya. Nobody wants that Sense on Discord. And then over here, I use Bluetooth controller connected to the PC with Bluetooth adapter, and it always disconnects. What kind of Bluetooth adapter are you using? The one from Sony? Or just a generic one? And then it's really easy to just kind of pop through, see which ones you've responded to and where you've had like an ongoing discussion like this one, so that you can double check if they've asked you anything new. This might not be as important for you on your channel as it is for me. I offer tutorials, so making sure people's problems are solved is kind of important when I have the time. Otherwise, you can just go through, you can delete them if you don't like them, you can report them if they're spam, you can hide them if they're just being rude. And there you go, bingo, bango, boom. That's how you moderate your YouTube comments, and then you can see all of them here. If you tend to have a problem with people rating your channel, it's really easy just to hide their comments and then just to let them go nuts. Because, I mean, if they're hidden, they think they're being a little butthole, but in reality, they've been shadow banned. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how you moderate and control and respond and reply to comments. They just kind of appear chronologically in this menu, which can sometimes make it hard to find. You can also just search for them. Contains questions, channel member status, all this stuff. You can go through and filter that if you want to find specific ones. You can also just search for stuff. You'd be like, cats. Did anyone say cat? Boom, a bunch of people did mention a cat, or checking for updates or something. But yeah, so that's how you look at the different comments. Hope this helps you moderate and understand how to use this system on your channel. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.